How to find and copy your Bybit UID. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to find and copy your Bybit UID. Whether you're new to Bybit or just need a quick guide, if you've been wondering how to do this safely and easily, just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you actually need a UID. Your UID is essential for making transfers from one Bybit account to another. For example, if you want to send cryptocurrency to another Bybit user or receive funds, you'll need to share your UID or ask for theirs. It's a simple but critical part of using the platform. So, to get your Bybit UID, you'll need to launch your Bybit mobile application. Once it's open, log into your account using your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on the home page as soon as the app opens. Now, to find your UID, look for the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to a new page. Here, at the top of this page, you'll see either your name or email address and account status, whether it's verified or not, and a small section showing your UID. This is the user ID you'll need. If you want to copy it, simply tap the copy icon right next to your user ID. The app will show a message confirming that your UID has been copied. Now, you can paste it anywhere you need. You can use this user ID to send or receive money on Bybit between different accounts. And that's it. That's how you can easily find and copy your Bybit UID. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.